or Chief of Staff in charge of your team's next offsite? Listen up. Letting your people book airfare on their own and then reimbursing everyone is a recipe for disaster. And here's why. First, you don't have any control or insight on what people are booking and how much it costs. It's a surefire way to light your travel budget up in smoke. Second, if you're coordinating group transportation, you need to know where all your people are, like at all times. It's called duty of care. And if you don't know what that term is, pause here and read. And last but not least, if you don't have a corporate travel program or platform, you're missing out on big savings. From corporate discounts to your company's earning points and perks, you're likely leaving tons of value on the table.